Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is Norton Identity or LifeLock Identity Theft Protection app. Okay. So for that, guys, just go to your app store. Just click on Norton Identity, that is dark web monitoring. What exactly is this? So Norton helps you to monitor personal information. If you have a credit card, if your information is getting stolen, if anyone from the dark web is utilizing it, we'll get to know each and everything. What is your personal information? It does the dark web monitoring, whether your credit card information or your identity information is stolen. Also, we can do like you can add your phone number, driving license, bank account, everything to make sure that none of it is getting carried away. Also, it could keep your social media accounts safer. You can add your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel, anything which is there. So two accounts will be monitored. So peace of mind with dark web monitoring also provides an additional thing which helps to protect during the dark web monitoring. Like also you can receive the notification response to alerts if there is let's say you have done a transaction and you're getting an alert that this is done by you. Maybe you would have given your credit card details to one of your friend and he does a transaction. Many things, more note features that your fingertips, etc. We could get device security, cloud backup, LifeLock identity theft protection is the one which we require. If you want to read the data, it is there here. Cyber criminals can meet anonymously on dark websites, make illegal purchases of personal information. So make sure we are one step ahead and we can download this LifeLock and it is very useful. You can see this video if you want. See, LifeLock identity theft goes beyond credit card. What exactly it does? So we they actually protect our identity. You can see the credit monitoring is there. They look out the dark web. If anything is added in the dark web, 24/7 protection they'll give, and they lock down if like let's say credit card lock. If you want, you can do that. They can monitor your at least two social media accounts. They also do a reimbursement LifeLock identity theft. And these are the plans for a LifeLock. You can have a standard plan. You can have Advantage plan, Ultimate Plus plan. You can pay monthly. You can pay annually also. So what exactly is present in LifeLock standard package? So if you're really going for that, it is privacy monitor is there, stolen wallet protection, identity and social security number alerts, stolen fund reimbursement, online bureau credit marketing, and many other things. Okay. So if you're going for an advantage package, so it has so it is $22 per month and there is first 12 months. Almost similar things you'll get, but you'll get more US based identity restoration specialist, alert on crimes committed on your name. This is identity theft on your name. All these things will be protected by LifeLock. So let's say if you're going for an ultimate plus, right? Also, you have a family plans on that. There is $34 per month. All these things, privacy monitor, dark web monitoring, everything you'll be getting extra 401k investment account alerts, data breach notifications, file sharing network, credit report scores, one bureau annual, three bureau, etc. LifeLock family plans is also there. So we can get the entire family protected. Invest for every 3 seconds. There is always a guy who's having identity theft in US, right? Or 29 billion was stolen just in identity thief by 2022. Children had their personal information exposed in the database, that is 1.4 million just in 2022. That is the reason why we have to step up and we have to make sure our identity is not theft. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.